Hi folks, this is Pat from Fresh 19. Welcome to our kitchen. Today what I'm going to do is a quick tip for you guys. How I make homemade breadcrumbs. For this recipe, I used a loaf of stale Italian bread. Place a few pieces at a time into a food processor. Blend for about 30 to 45 seconds, or longer if you need a finer texture. For those of you who buy the box breadcrumbs, as I have done, read the ingredients. You're going to be surprised to see all the things that are in there that we probably shouldn't be eating. High fructose, added sugars, MSG, just to name a few. Making your own breadcrumbs will be a healthy alternative, as you will choose breads that contain more natural and wholesome ingredients. Stir until all the breadcrumbs are moistened. Cook the breadcrumbs about a minute. Then using a spatula, turn the breadcrumbs over and cook another minute. I use homemade breadcrumbs and meatballs with sauce. As a garnish for roasted vegetables and peppers, stuffed with tri-colored quinoa and homemade toasted breadcrumbs.